Morning, student. Today I discuss customizing Windows 7. Customizing Windows 7, Class 4, Chapter 3. Topic changing date and time. Topic changing system date and time. Changing system date and time. Today practical session. Practical. Date 8/6/20. Today I discuss changing system date and time. Today either practical part. This is the Windows 10, not for the install Windows 7, and this area below part area is the taskbar, and the taskbar right side. This is the right side. Right side indicate to the date and time. Date 8/6/2020 and the time 1:30 p.m. So this time today I how to change this time in the this is the notification area. This is the desktop and the all and this desktop is the so that is the date and the time. How to change the date and time? The mouse pointer indicates in the desktop area. The mouse pointer, and first of all you go to the date and time in the notification area. Just click the two time, the 120. You change to the any such type of date and time. You will change to the in the notification area, and you go to the control panel. You go to the control panel. This is the control panel. Click control panel, and this option you open to the control panel, and there are so many such type of option in front of you. And but today I the topic changing the date and time, and just click the date and time option. The date and time option you click, the one dialog box appear in front of you. In the notification area you show to the 1:30 p.m. in the notification area are related to the 1:30 p.m. This is the notification area. Today the date and time are 1:30. Suppose I change to the date and time. The first of all change date and time. Just click to the this option, change date and time. The one time click, the watch 1:31. You change to the time 11 and just OK. This area is automatically change out. This time is automatically. I again repeat in the particular area. You go to the change date and time, so that this notification area taskbar 10:31. So but I click to the change date and time, you automatically adjust in the notification area. This is the dialog box, and open to the date and time. The click to the change date and time. The again one dialog box appear, and the one watch in always time, so that the in this area today the time 10:32 and the 6, and again this area 10:32. I just change 8:32. Suppose I change to the 8:32 and just click OK, the automatically change in this particular area, the 8:32. This is the change to the time, and change to the date. I again go to the in this particular area, change date and time, and this is the date area. Suppose today I suppose today I date to the 10. I just click to the 10 and then press to the OK. The date is the automatically change. But today time is the 1:45. 1:45. Just click to the upper part area, and the time is the 1:45. The time is the 1:45. Just OK, then change to the time, and I again change to the date. Today I did the 8 and then press OK. They automatically change to the date. So any doubt, they have to ask to the question date and time. Any doubt, please ask to question. Thank you so much.